So, gravitational potential energy. Well, it's energy that's somehow stored in gravity. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, we talked earlier about lifting a bucket of mass m up through a distance, let's call it h for height. Now, last time we actually assigned some values to m and to h, and of course we used g, the acceleration due to gravity, to calculate this work that we had to do. This time we're going to leave our answer in terms of variables, and so what I want to know is how much work do you do, and that's you, how much work does gravity do, and not how much is the total work. How much do you do when you lift an object of mass m up by a distance of h? I've given you 4 options. Try and choose the best one.